Okay, hello to everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to show you uh, how to upload your project once you have completed on GitHub. The very first step you have to do, you have to go to the github.com and make sure you do have account and already logged in, as I have. This is my GitHub account. Uh, So all you need to do, you need to go here and you create a new repository like that. You have to click there and give your repository name. Like this is my project. As you can see, I call it commenting system, and I just want to upload it here on GitHub, right? So what I'm going to do here, I'm just gonna call it how I need to call it. So and I'm just gonna call it the same name, commenting system, like that. Description, you can give anything you want, like this this is the React project that allows you uh, that allows you to comment on your post. Yeah, once you have completed your description, this is optional. It is not necessary for you to fill it. You can choose whether to make it public. For this one, I'm just going to make it public. If you want to generate add readme file, you can go ahead and do that as well. As you know, by default, Git ignore this file that I will going to see it in our project there. So click create a repository like that. So we have to wait a little bit. Okay, something went wrong. Let's go ahead. Let's go again and try to create. Maybe it's the internet connection. Yeah. So here we go. So all you need to do first, as you can see here, you need so all you need to do first, you need to go into where you want to create your project and do all this kind of stuff. But what's good about this project that I've made using React, it comes with Git, so we don't have to initialize Git. So, and that means that we have to ignore these two comments here. I'm not going to initialize Git. So the very first thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to open up the terminal. I'm just going to open up the terminal like that. Once it is opened, let me first dir to list all the directory. So as you can see, this I am on the same folder as it is here, as you can see. So nothing different. So I'm just going to get into that folder. So cd comment, this is how to get into the folder that you want to get, or this is how to get one step forward to the folder. So and I'm just gonna click tab for auto completion like that, and I hit enter. And then if I now listing everything, I can see here there are two things, there are two folders as well. So, and how you can know if this is a folder or not, by looking here. D means directory. So I'm just gonna get into the first one, comment system again, and hit enter. Dir again to list all the directory. So if you try opening this thing here like that, you can see the same thing. So this is our project, and I want to upload this entire project in on GitHub. And as I said that Git ignore this file. If we open up this file to see what inside, or what Git try to ignore, if we open up this file and try to see what Git try to ignore with my text editor, I think okay, it opened up inside Visual Studio Code. Yeah, so it ignored dependencies like node modules .pnp, as you can see, environment variables, and all of that, as you can see. So once you have completed your project and you want to upload it here, all you need first to open up, make sure you have Git on your computer. That is the very first thing you need to have, and say git status. As you can see, if you open up this, if you click that command, you will actually see so many things here, that there are so many files that I've modified, and some of them I have deleted. As you know, I have deleted I have deleted all the file that comes when you create a React app with npx. As you can see, this folder I've deleted them, and some of them I have modified, as you can see. So these files are untracked for now, because we didn't allow Git to do so. So to allow Git to be able to track all of this file, what we have to do, we have to say git commit, I think git commit, what, not git commit, we have to say git add everything. That is the very first command where we have to do git add everything. This is how to say it. So everything that you see here has already add to Git, which is the tool that we have installed in our local machine. So I'm gonna get into git status command again to see. As you can see, now they turn green. It means all the file has already added to the Git. GitHub and Git is something different. So in our local machine, we're using Git, and if we want to store our project in the cloud, we use GitHub. There are so many options to do so, but so once it is turned green, now we need to commit. So we have to say git commit -m, the message that we want to say on this commit. Let's say completed commenting system, completed commenting system. Or let me add something, completed simple commenting system. and hit enter. Once you do that, once you have done committed, now we can continue on. The next command, we need to create a branch. So we have to say git branch dot main. You can give it any name that you want, but they suggest you to do so. So I'm just gonna copy it, this command like that, and go here and paste it. If now I say git, I think git branches, if I say that git branches, something like that, git, okay, I forgot the command. So for now, let's ignore what I'm trying to do. So the upcoming thing that we have to do, we have to copy this command, and what this command does, it add the link to the origin. If you add something to the origin, allow us to push it to the GitHub as our next command. So all we have to do for now, we have to say add remote origin, this thing. So as you can see, we need to add the link that will allow us to send our project, and that's what we want to do. So once you're done with that, the only command that has remained, as you can see there, is git push origin to the main. I think as you know, that the branch that we have created for storing our project. So maybe you can call it any other name, but this is the name that they have recommended for you to do. So for simplicity, I use the same thing. So I'm just gonna press it like that, and when I hit enter, now we have to wait a little bit. It is processing. Yeah, now as you can see, we have new branch, we call it main, as you can see, and everything works fine. So if we now go onto the browser and refresh our page, yeah, have a look. This is our project. This is our project. Yeah, and this is everything, as you can see. Yeah, and this is the committed that we have been made, as you can see, completed our simple commenting system. And this is our branch that we have made. You can create multiple branch, and you can do a lot of commit as much as you want. Yeah, so I think for this video, let me end up here, and I hope maybe next time I will create this project using React, and you guys can see it. So, but if you're new here to my YouTube channel, I highly suggest you guys to subscribe and give like to this video, so that you can hack YouTube algorithm.